Well, there you go. More crap to put on that motorcycle. When you gonna stop that, boy?
Hey guys, welcome back to Ozark Wheels. My name is John. Today I'm going to do a small job on my Iron 1200. Most people put swing arm bags on the left side of the motorcycle. There's less interference, there's less things on the left side of the motorcycle. And on the right there's a little bit more with the chain guard or the belt guard. Just because people do it less often, I think I'll do a video on doing that. So come along with me. Okay. As you see, I've got a swing arm bag on the left hand side. I've got it filled up with some bungee cords. I've got a lock and a cable, and typically I put my phone, my wallet, and my keys in this bag. And it's kind of crowded, so temporarily I can store things on the rack here, strap them down, but that's not something that can be sort of slightly hidden away in a bag of some sort. So I'm going to put a swing arm bag over here on this side. It'll go in this space right here. People put them on this side less often, I think because of the guard here, maybe. Possibly because there's heat coming up from the pipes. I don't know, but it's not enough to give you a problem with what's in the bag. So that's what I'm going to do today, is put the swing arm bag on this side. Alright, I don't know how long these straps are. They may not be enough. I want, let's see, when this comes around here, that's going to come through there. I think I'm going to put it around that bracket right there. So let me go into the bag. Alright, so here's how I'm going to get this through here. I've got to get these two straps over the top of this frame tube. They're both going to come right through here and come back out. And so I want this to be this way. I want it to be inside the bag. I figured out it's going to have to be inside the bag because I can't really get to it outside. There's not enough room in there. Alright, but anyway, that's the way the strap's got to go that way. So I'm going to come through the bag, through this bottom hole first. I'm going to come back through that, around the top of the tube, back through the bag, and then I'll hook up inside. The strap's got to go this way with this little tongue going through with the curvature that way so that it snaps back down. So this is the direction for my strap. Go in the bottom hole. It's hard to see. Yep, go in the bottom hole like that. And this other one is going to be same way. Want it like that. Yep. So it'll go through the other one on the bottom, like that. Alright, so let me get these pulled through. And yeah, that's going to work okay. I was worried about the strap being too big here where it's doubled over, but it'll go through there just fine. So we're good. Alright, and this one on the bottom I didn't get right, so I've got to do it again. It's gonna go that way, and I want it inside the bag too. So it's gonna go this way, and I'll have this ready to go around the back when I get the other two. Okay, so I've got a paper clip here I'm going to use to hold the first strap so I can then work on the second, because I got to have two hands to work on it and I can't hold the first strap and get the second one. So we're going in a circle around the tube right here. The oil tank will push it back down for me so that I can get my finger on it and get it out, like so. All right, I'm gonna put that paper clip through this first one here, and then through this hole back here. Maybe. All right, like so. It's not very bright back here. All right, so I got that, and it's folded over, and it's not coming apart. And now I'll work on the second one. It's ready to go, and I'm just coming around the bar, around the tube. Yep, there it is. Okay. All right. I'm going to take this back inside the bag, and I think I can snap it on the first hole. Yeah. All right, there it is.
I'm here.
Huh?
I'm here.
I hear you.
You on YouTube?
Yeah, working on it.
Oh, you're not filming now.
Yeah, I'm filming. That's the second hole.
Alright, we get these fuckers.
Okay. Got those two, and they're going to work pretty well. Okay, this last one is going to go around this piece of frame and come back in the other hole. There we go. Only got enough to pull on it. So, I'll show you this now. Go back down this way. Well, how about this? Now we can see it. Okay, inside, you see each one of these goes in here, around whatever it's going around, back into the bag, and then it will hook up just like a normal buckle. How about this? There we go. It'll hook up just like a normal buckle, and hopefully I can tighten that up enough. So I'll tighten it one at a time and see if we get in the right place. So this is what I was talking about earlier. I'm not really thrilled about having my buckles inside, but there's no way to get to these on the outside easily, be able to tighten them up. So I just kind of have to, I guess. All right, that's one. And that's about right too. Let's buckle these up and see if we're in the ballpark. All right. I don't really want it. Yeah. Well, look at there. I think that's gonna hold pretty good. Now it's gonna end up rubbing. I hate this, but it's gonna end up rubbing both of these surfaces in here. So they won't remain pristine for long. But it's a motorcycle, and that stuff happens to motorcycles. All right. So I think the swing arm bag looks pretty good there. It could be a hair lower. I'm liking that pretty well. See how it looks back here? That one holds in pretty good. This is the other one that I bought before, I'm going to go ahead and change this one so that instead of holding it around this, I'm going to put it over the frame like I did the other side, and I think that'll fix my problem. So if I do, I'll show you a little extra on the end of this video. It took a little longer than what it shows in this video, but there were some things I needed to figure out, and hopefully this will be quicker and easier for you. You won't have as much to figure out when you go to do it. You know, a lot of this stuff is kind of trial and error, and if you can save a little time, that's a good thing, right? All right, so I thank you for coming back and visiting with me for another video, and I will catch you on the next one. Just like I guessed, putting that strap around the tube back there instead of around the shock absorber allowed me to get this swing arm bag this side back in, and if you look at both of them, they're kind of even, and that's exactly how I want them. So I call that one a success.